Okay, here are our rules, so write those down, press pause, and then we'll start. Okay, now that you have those wrote down, let's start with number 1. So, here's our problem. We're going to separate it into parts. So, we have 3x, 4y to the third, and then we have x, 2, y, 2. So we're gonna factor out the numbers and the letters. So 3 can't be factored, so we're gonna write a 3. Then we're gonna do our letters. Let's do the other side. Okay, now we're gonna put it back together. So this goes here, this will go here. Make sure you're lining these up. All right, now we're gonna cancel. So these will cancel, these will cancel, these will cancel, these will cancel. Now we're gonna make our groups. Let's rewrite first. So this is what we're left with. We can draw our line, but there's nothing there. So now let's make our groups. Here's a group. I don't think we can make any more groups. So let's pull our groups out. So we have an X, and then we have a 3y left. There's your answer. All right, let's do another one. Okay, let's try number 11. So we have 36x, 25x to the third. So we're going to separate it into parts. So we have 36x and then 25x to the third. So let's factor out our numbers. X can't be factored. Let's go to the other side. Factor out our numbers. Factor out our letters. Okay, now we're gonna rewrite. Ooh, I messed up here, sorry. Now we're gonna put it back together. So we're gonna put this in here. And then this one on the bottom. So we're gonna see what can cancel. So 2, 2, 3, 3, these can cancel. So now let's rewrite. Now we're gonna make our groups. Here's a group, here's a group, here's a group, here's a group. So now we're gonna pull out our groups, but we have a note here that says, remember to keep what's on the top, and remember keep what's on the bottom, on the bottom. So we have a 2 and a 3 on the top. And we have a 5 and an x on the bottom. We have to keep these on the bottom, and we have to keep these on the top. So now let's simplify. So we have 6, 5x. That's your answer. Alrighty, let's do one more. Alrighty, so, oops. Alrighty, so we're going to separate it into parts. So we have a 2x squared, and then we have an 18x to the 4th. So let's factor tree. We have a 2, and then an x and an x. And we got to factor tree the 18, so we have a 9 and a 2. So then we have 2, 3, 3, x, 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 x. So then we're going to put it back together. So we have a 2x, x, and then we have a 2, actually, sorry, 2x, x, and then we have a 2, 3, 3, x, 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 x. So now we're gonna cancel. 2's can cancel, an x can cancel, and x can cancel. So now let's rewrite. So we have nothing on the top, and then we have a 3, 3x, x. If we have nothing on the top, we can just insert a 1. And then we're going to make our groups. And a way we can get around with this 1 to make another group is we know that 1 times 1 is 1, so we can just make a group here. So now let's pull them out. So we have a 1 over 3x. That's your answer.